neighborhoods. So hopefully people are prepared and are
watching
safe.
their local meteorologist like you.
Exactly. So here we go. Hurricane Hilary, the latest advisory as of 5 p.m. and still, again, working its way up to the north. No impacts for us here in South Florida from Hilary. That's in the Pacific Ocean, but we do have impacts in the Atlantic Basin. We are dealing with tropical moisture from a tropical wave that has increased the activity there, especially along the Bahamas. And we've had on and off showers all throughout your morning, afternoon, and we're going to be dealing with that same motion as we head into your evening hours. So nice big dry period, at least for the Treasure Coast, but I am tracking these showers offshore. Those are inching towards land. We do have some pretty breezy conditions coming in from the east that will help move those showers pretty quickly to the west. As we get a view there of the southern Palm Beach County area, I am tracking just a few more spotty showers along the turnpike and also near 95. Most of the moisture is still offshore. So moderate rain there from Boynton Beach all the way to Sun Valley to Aberdeen, Atlantis. No lightning strikes, no thunderstorms, just some moderate to light rainfall there. And then another shower near Gulf Stream to briny breezes. Now, all of that tropical moisture will linger as you go throughout the overnight hours and into that first half of your Sunday at least. And then the second half of the day, we should actually see some relief from the rain as we head into the second period of your Sunday. Let me take you through the rest of your night tonight. A couple spotty on and off showers still possible, so just keep the umbrella close by. Some quick movers out there as we go into the overnight hours past midnight. Heavy downpours possible, especially along northern Palm Beach County, Martin County, moving their way along the coastal neighborhoods first and then pushing inland for the second half of that period. And then scattered rain on and off as we continue throughout those mid-morning hours. That'll be the wettest part of the day, especially on the Treasure Coast into Palm Beach County. By around 2-3 o'clock, most of the activity is rather inland with just a few lingering showers left behind as the system moves off towards our west. And in fact, we're going to see even drier conditions as we start off a brand new work week. So you have all of that tropical moisture moving across the state, and this tropical wave has a better chance of coming together and more development as it enters into that very hot Gulf water. And again, it's going to track towards Texas, giving us some relief from that moisture. And we're going to have dry air moving in. Saharan dust will help also decrease widespread rainfall here across the state, but also trap in that heat. So we're talking 90s again, with the possibility of those heat advisories to be extended as we start off a brand new work week. Let me take you through the next several hours for tonight, and a couple spotty showers still possible at least through midnight, and better chance of rainfall will be after midnight. Scattered rainfall at times. We're talking heavy downpours. The possibility of some localized street flooding can't be ruled out because our grounds are so saturated. So here's that tropical wave, that tropical moisture expecting to move across the state. And then after that, we have a lot to talk about. We have 4 other areas in the tropical Atlantic, one that just moved off of Africa earlier. Very low chance of developing over the next several days. We have Invest 98L. This one's going to make that curve out to sea. Tropical Depression 6 that I showed you, that's going to weaken. And then we have this right here, Invest 90. And this one is going to impact the Lesser Antilles, maybe even the Virgin Islands. So Dominican Republic and even Puerto Rico could see some rain and winds from this as it moves over the islands and back out to sea, moving away from the state of Florida. So still hurricane season. The peak is September 10th. Always, of course, to be prepared. If we did think anything was going to impact us here, we would let you know. But right now, looking like a scene out there with those clouds, the good amount of waves coming in. We have a west or east wind, rather 17 miles per hour. Temperatures in the mid 80s, feeling still more like the 90s. So tonight, upper 70s, rain cold spots. Tomorrow, scattered rain for that first half of your Sunday. Second half looking a little drier. Temperatures otherwise when we dry things out into the 90s. So beach and boating, we do have high rip current risk at least over the next couple days. So it is going to be very dangerous offshore. A little bit of a kick in those waves out there. So surfers definitely going to try to take advantage of that. But of course, bring a buddy, be careful. So we are looking at impact weather Sunday being those scattered rain and storms. And then Monday, Tuesday, we have the Saharan dust. So new impacts with 90s in the forecast.